Good morning and welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up, your weekly recap of markets for the week ended September 15, 2023. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. Please refer to the detailed disclaimer at the end of this video. In key macroeconomic news, India's CPI eased to 6.83% in August from 7.44% in July as vegetable prices came off from highs. India's IIP grew by 5.7% in July compared to 3.8% in June. US CPI rises to 3.7% year-on-year in August, mainly driven by an increase in energy prices. Excluding volatile food and energy prices, the core CPI increased by 4.3% in line with expectations and better than the 4.7% in July. ECB hiked key rates by 25 basis points, its 10th successive rate hike, taking rates to the highest level since the launch of euro in January 1999. But ECB signaled an end to rate hikes and said that interest rates have reached levels that, if maintained for a sufficiently long duration, will make a substantial contribution to the return of inflation to target. People's Bank of China cut reserve requirements by 25 basis points, continuing its multiple efforts to provide a monetary stimulus to the slowing economy. Brent crude oil prices have risen by 31.6% over the last 3 months on the back of supply cuts by Saudi Arabia and Russia. In markets this week, Nifty was up 1.9% and closed at a new lifetime high. Sensex rose for the 11th consecutive day, the longest streak of gains since October 2007. Mid and small caps witnessed a sharp correction on Monday but recovered partially in the rest of the week. Both the indices closed marginally lower during the week, but both the mid and small cap indices are up over 7% in the last 30 days. PSU Bank Index was the standout performer, increasing by 7%. Telecom, autos and IT sectors logged gains of around 3%. In sectoral losers, BSE Power and Nifty Media witnessed a correction. In select market movers this week, shares of Central Bank of India rose by 19% after breaking above a key resistance level. Shares of Vodafone Idea rallied by 11.4% on expectations that the company will be able to raise capital from new investors. The shares are up 45% in the last 1 month. Shares of Bajaj Auto rallied by 7.8% on expectations of demand recovery in two-wheelers and optimism around its Triumph bike. Shares of BHEL fell by 12.2% on profit booking and after the company was included in the F&O ban list. The stock is up around 25% in the last 1 month. FII Activity was mixed during the week, ending with marginal net sales of Rs 746 crores in cash. DIIs remained net buyers, lifting their month-to-date purchases to more than Rs 10,000 crore. The US markets corrected on Friday to close the week flat. In this section, we discuss select research reports published by HDFC Securities Institutional Equities team. The detailed reports are available at our website and the links are shown in the video. Ami Organics is the first Indian and global company outside China to successfully develop core electrolyte additives. Expansion of its specialty chemicals portfolio, Pharma-ion contract revenue accruing from Q4 of FY24, and strong growth in advanced pharma intermediates is expected to drive a 27% EBITDA CAGR over FY23 to FY26. We have an ad rating with a target price of Rs 1,360 per share. Our interaction with the HUL management reinforced our thesis that demand recovery will be gradual. We have retained a reduced rating. According to Mr. Samir Khetarpal, the CEO of Jubilant Foodworks, industry demand continues to decelerate and recent trends are tougher than witnessed during the last 6 months. We have an ad rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 500 per share. That is all for this week. Please do refer to the detailed disclaimer on the screen. Thank you.